You don't wake up hoping to become rich overnight. Instead, you wake up believing that small, smart decisions made consistently can change your entire future. While everyone around you is searching for the next big thing, you quietly begin learning how real wealth is built. You stop chasing flashy investments. You stop believing every social media financial expert. You realize that investing isn't about excitement. It's about patience. So you start reading company reports instead of scrolling endlessly. At first, nothing feels exciting. Your friends laugh because your investments don't double in a week. Meanwhile, they're buying whatever everyone else is talking about. One friend makes a huge profit overnight. Another posts screenshots of massive gains. For a moment, you wonder if you're making a mistake. Maybe slow investing doesn't work anymore. Maybe you're being left behind. But then you remember one important lesson. The stock market rewards patience more than panic. So instead of following the crowd, you keep studying businesses. You ask simple questions. Does this company make money? Does it have loyal customers? Will people still need its products 10 years from now? If the answer is yes, you invest. If not, you walk away without regret. Months pass. The market suddenly crashes. Panic spreads everywhere. People rush to sell their investments. News headlines predict disaster. Social media fills with fear. Your friends sell everything to avoid losing more money. But you don't. Because you understand something most investors never.
A great company doesn't become a bad company just because its stock price falls. Instead of running away, you start buying more. Not because you're fearless, but because you've prepared for moments exactly like this. You saved cash for opportunities. Now, those opportunities have finally arrived. Buying quality businesses at lower prices feels uncomfortable. But you know that's exactly why most people never build lasting wealth. Weeks become months. Months become years. The market slowly recovers. The companies you believed in continue growing. Their profits increase. Their customers stay loyal. Their value keeps rising. Your portfolio begins reaching numbers you've never seen before. Not because you found a secret investment. Not because you got lucky. But because you stayed consistent when everyone else gave up. Your friends returned to investing after hearing the market recovered.
Once again, they're chasing whatever is trending. Meanwhile, you're doing the same thing you've always done. Research, patience, discipline, one investment at a time. Your wealth continues growing quietly. No flashy lifestyle, no expensive cars just to impress strangers. No trying to prove anything. Instead, your money works while you focus on living your life. Years later, something incredible happens. People start asking you for investing advice. They assume you discovered some hidden strategy. They expect you to reveal a magical stock. You simply smile. There was never a secret. You bought wonderful businesses. You avoided emotional decisions. You stayed patient during difficult times. And you allowed time to do what it always does. Multiply consistent decisions. That's when you truly
Understand what investing like Warren Buffett really means. It isn't about copying every stock he buys. It isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about thinking differently from the crowd, being patient when others are impatient, being calm when others panic, and remembering that time is often the greatest investment of all. Because in the end, the biggest returns don't belong to the smartest investor. They belong to the one who refuses to quit.